That's LAPD trying to hurry up and fly over my apartment before I capture them on video. You can hear them. They're flying directly above my roof. They're doing so and amplifying the sound of the helicopter activity as they're aware of my physical movement and grabbing my camera, turning the camera on. The entity engages in what is hurrying up and flying over. This is the pattern of conduct, and it's currently 11:48 p.m. where you're hearing the helicopter activity, which is the direct indicator that the same terrorist organization, LAPD, who is the state that engaged in what is communicating a threat today via the people of the state, who are monitoring and then referencing the documentation that they're monitoring as a means to threaten and obstruct justice while they are literally engaging in that criminal system. And that's why everybody at that corporate office in Palo Alto of speaker companies is going to federal prison. And this whole property is also going to federal prison. All units are filled with third parties, and the entity is engaging in 24-hour surveillance using helicopters, which is why they're flying directly over the roof of my apartment at 11:48 p.m. in the specific environment while they're monitoring what I'm doing, engaged in a massive sex offense, which is monitoring inside of a private space and ongoing corporate invasion of privacy. Okay, the people remain in relevant position. They are inside of apartments, which is group stalking by residents. Across the street, all along Alvarado, that's relevant positioning. When you see them in traffic, that's when they're engaging in what is crossing path with the method of light activity. They are all group stalking right now while they're inside of their apartments, and they are all aware of what's being documented about them on an ongoing basis. This entity that's engaging in terrorism communicated a threat and put it in writing, and they're all going to federal prison for it. It is currently 11:49 p.m. This is P.O.C.